Hey there, Progreda Pros. Are you ready to grow your team and set up your staff for success? Today, I'm going to show you how to add new user or team member inside Progreda. It's quick, easy, and packed with options to ensure everyone has the right access. Let's get started. Step one, let me share my screen here real quick. All right, step one, of course, log in to your Progreda account. Navigate to settings and head over to my staff. So this is your hub for managing team members. And now, do you see this big blue button at the top that says Add Employee? All right. Go ahead and click it. And here, this is where you'll add your team members' basic details. So fill in their first and last name, email, phone, and even an extension if they have one. And make sure you don't skip any required fields. So it's the little things that keep everything running smoothly. Now, here's a cool feature. You can enable a signature for all outgoing messages. So add their signature text here. And if you want to get fancy, upload an image for their signature too. And once you've got everything filled out, click save and we're ready to set permissions. All right. And here you can, for the roles and permissions. So we're setting up the user's access level. So this is super important for keeping your operation secure and organized. So you've got two main options, the admin and the user role. Also, here, you can choose which data they can view. They can, is it only assigned data or all records? All right. And here's what, it's get even cooler. So you can manually pick and choose specific permissions for this user or save yourself time by using the copy permissions feature here in the upper right corner. So this lets you copy the exact permissions from other user. Easy, right? And now let's talk about calls and voicemails. Oh. So calls for this one, now that here, this step is only needed if your new user requires a dedicated phone number, and if not, you can skip this part. But if they'll be handling calls, you can configure their voicemail settings or route calls directly to them. And also here, user availability. So finally, let's set up their availability. And here, Progreda lets you define the user schedule so you can ensure their hours align with your business needs. Next, move on to calendar configuration. So here, for the configuration, this is where you sync their calendar for bookings and availability. It's perfect for keeping everyone on the same page and avoiding schedule conflicts. So just click Save and Finish. And that's it. Once you've configured all these settings, click Save and your new team member is ready to roll. So you've successfully created a user like a true Progreda Pro. All right. So adding users in Progreda is not just about growing your team, it's about setting them up for success and keeping your business organized. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your team. And as always, drop any questions in the comments and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and happy Progredaing.